Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into how to create gloss effect on objects. This is a step-by-step guide that's perfect for beginners. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you love tutorials like this. Let's get started. Select Ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Fill with any color and remove the outline. Now press plus on keyboard to duplicate. Change fill color to white. Shrink it like that. Now we're going to use blend effect. So select blend tool. Now click on this white circle and drag up to the bigger circle. Now as you can see we have a sphere, so if we just zoom out, it looks like a sphere. Now we want it to look more realistic, so we will apply a glossy effect at top. To do that we need to duplicate the circle again. So select it. Copy, paste. Change color to white. Now make it smaller. Now the next tool that we are going to use is the transparency tool. So select it. Press at top and drag down to create a linear transparency like that. Now if I zoom out, that's what you get. A gloss effect. So in order to make this effect, it's just the combination of blend tool and transparency tool. Now we can change the color to any color needed and we will get the same effect. Also we can select the smaller circle and change color so we get different looks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial gave you some great ideas. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more design tips and tricks, and check out the playlist link to this video for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!